morning, everybody. It is 6:42 in the morning and I am this wide awake. I actually slept good last night. It was a first time because I always can never sleep on coupon and Sunday. Never. But anyways, I'm at Walgreens right now and I'm ready to share with the awesome deals with you guys. There is a lot of Ibotta deals, which I am pretty excited to share with you guys on that. And then it is a new monthly booklet month. So if you guys grab the booklet throughout the store, I prefer the booklet because I can use it multiple times during the month, as many times as I want. When you use it in the app, like you clip it to your coupon, it's one and done. You can't like use it again. So if you guys get the booklet, definitely look around. If you don't know where they have it, my store has them all throughout, like end caps and everything, and then the cashiers can always get one for you too. So we got a new monthly booklet, and I'm just excited to share with some deals with you guys. So let's go inside, have some fun, saving some money. Here we have the Garnier cleansing wipes for $6.29. They're buy one get one 50% off. Now we do have a $2 off digital coupon that you can use, and then we also have a $2 off printable coupon. And then in the Walgreens booklet there is a $2 off coupon off of that, which it'll take $4 for that. So you'll end up getting two of these for just $1.43. I forgot to do the individual price. Sorry you guys, let's see, the $1.43, and then it ends up becoming just 71 cents each. The Rimmel makeup, I don't think it's on sale, but there's a couple deals that we can do. You got the lip gloss for $4.99. You buy two of them. We actually have you gotta welcome to Walgreens. You got a 4 off of 2 Walgreens booklet coupon. You'll end up just paying $5.98. But then there's an Ibotta deal where you get $1.15 back times 2, so you'll get $2.30 back, making it $3.68 or $1.84 each for that one. You could also do the concealer for $5.79. You'll end up using that 4 off of 2 coupon. You would pay $7.58, but then you get $2.30 back with Ibotta. It is a limit of 2, so you'll end up just getting both of them for $2.98 or $1.49. Now make sure you check out your online prices because you can price match all that stuff too. Here we have the Balmex diaper rash ointment. It is $7.99. Now we do have a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet that you can use, or you can clip it to your card. You'll end up just paying $5.99, but then there's an Ibotta deal for $4 back. So this just ends up becoming just $1.99. The L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner is on sale for 3 for $12. We currently have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, or you can use a 5 off of 3 insert coupon. And then there is a coupon in the Walgreens booklet for $2 off of 2. But when you buy 3, it'll actually take $1 off of each one, just to give you guys an FYI on that. So you'll get $3 back with the Walgreens, or $3 off with the Walgreens booklet, making your final price for 3 of these just $1 or $4 or $1.33 each. The Pantene is on sale this week for $4. Now we currently have a 3 off of 3 digital coupon, or you can use a 3 off of 3 insert coupon from the P&Gs. You'll end up just paying $9 for 3 of them. Or no, yeah, you'll pay $9 for 3 of them, but then you'll get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3 items, making them $4 or $1.33 each. The Safeguard soap is 2 for $6. You actually want to buy 3 of them and it'll come out to be $9. I currently have a 50-cent off digital coupon and a $1 off a 2 digital coupon. You end up paying just $7 for the 3 of them, but when you purchase 3, you end up getting a $5 register reward, making this just $2.50 or 83 cents each. Here we have the Bic razors, and you can buy the men's or the women's for $5.99. Now we currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can end up using. You end up paying $8.98 for 2 of them, but then there is a Ibotta rebate for $2 off of 2 when you purchase that, and then you get a $2 cash rewards when you purchase the 2, making them $4.98 or $2.49 each. The Purex is on sale for 2 for $5. If you want to go ahead and get that, that just makes it $2.50 each. So So there is two different deals for the Colgate toothpaste. The first deal you can do is the Colgate toothpaste for $2.99, and then you want to get a Colgate toothbrush for $2.99. Now we do have a $2 off digital coupon for the toothpaste, for the toothbrushes, and then a $2 off coupon for the toothpaste. So you'll end up just paying $1.98 when you buy two of those products, and you'll get a $2 register reward, making them absolutely free. Otherwise, you can buy the toothpaste that is $3.99, one of those, and you can buy one of the toothbrushes for $3.99. You'll use that $2 off digital coupon for the toothpaste and the $2 off digital coupon for the toothbrushes. So it's either one deal or the other, but you end up paying $3.98 for the $3.99 ones. But here you get a $4 cash reward, so you'll get your money right back, and you can pay with cash and get cash back for WAGS points. This ends up becoming free also. Here we have the Burt's Bees toothpaste for $4 on sale this week. Now it does go all the way till August 27th for this deal, but these coupons only go until the 13th. So you can do this deal next week and this week, however you want to do it. But you want to use two $2 off coupons from the August P&G. You'll end up just paying $4 for two of them, but then you get that $5 register reward when you buy two, making it a $1 moneymaker. Now here we have the Crest toothpaste for $3 on sale this week. You want to use a $2 off P&G coupons, and then we also have a $2 off digital coupon, so that's $6 that you will get in savings. But when you purchase the three of them, you do get a $5 register reward. Now this is a deal of the week, so make sure you watch what deals of the weeks are, but you will get that $5 register reward, making it a $2 moneymaker. The Ziplocs are 2 for $6. There are some that are 2 for $7, but we do, you want to probably get the ones that are 2 for $6. Now we do have a printable coupon that you guys can use. It's $1 off of two. Otherwise, there is a $1 off of two coupon in the Walgreens for digital coupons. So however you want to do it, I know a lot of you guys don't like digitals anyways, but you'd pay $5 for the two of these. But then there is an Ibotta deal where you get $1 off of two back, making these just $4 or $2 each. I know we can get more bang for your buck for the Walgreens brand, but sometimes the Ziploc I think works a little bit better zip wise, but it's a decent deal for you guys anyways. So my store is sold out, but you guys want to do the Splenda shakes. They look like that basically, so just pretend that's right there. But anyways, these are on sale this week for $7.99. It looks like they're that sale all month long, so you guys can do this deal as many times as you want. But anyways, there is a $4 off digital coupon that you'd want to use. You end up paying just $3.99, but then there is a $3 Ibotta rebate deal, making all 6 bottles just 99 cents. Here we have the Compeed for $9.99. There's currently a $3 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and then we have our $5 off inserts from last week. You guys would just pay $1.99 for this, but then there is an Ibotta rebate for $5 back. It is a limit of one, so this ends up becoming a $3.01 moneymaker. Here we have the Bactine for $9.79, but if you guys check your Walgreens app, they are ringing up, or they do have them for $7.99, so you want to have your store price match them for $7.99. Now I do have a $2 off digital coupon, and then I also have a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. I thought I had it, but I lost it in my booklet. But anyways, you guys would use that. You would pay just $3.99, but then there's an Ibotta deal where you get $2.49 back, making it just $1.50 for this little bottle. This one you get like a $4.50 rebate back with Ibotta, but that's $10.99 online. And then we also have this one, which is also $12.99 online. And then you could also check to see if your store has any hang tag coupons, but these are $3 off of two, so it just depends on how you want to do it. But Bactine, pretty decent deal. Here's an awesome deal for 7th generation wipes. So these are $3.99, and they're 20% off this week, making them $3.19. Now we currently have two digital coupons. We have a $1.50 and a $1. You'll end up paying $3.88, but here you get a $2 cash rewards when you purchase the two products, making it just $1.88 or 94 cents each. Yeah, that's all I can say is yeah. I am so mad, you guys, right now. Not like mad, but I'm just like ridiculous. This is the first time I have ever gone couponing and I put my things back. I put my items back, you guys. So I get to the register. I've already been in the store for like an hour and a half. It's crazy. I've been in the store for an hour and a half, doing deals, doing all this stuff, showing you guys this, showing you that. I get to the register, okay? She starts scanning my coupons. The thing says it's rejected. She says she entered them in. She never entered them in. If she did, it didn't work. And then she tells me what my total is. Now, I gave her a couple of my items, and I'm like, that is super high. And I says, well, I want to use points. And, oh, you can't use points. The system is down. It's been down for a whole week. You couldn't tell me, I mean, I'm not mad at her, but it's like, you couldn't tell me this, like, right at the beginning. Like, they know me, I come there every single week, a lot of them do tell me, but she didn't even tell me that the system is down. The coupons are not working. The IVC is not working. I can't redeem points. I couldn't do anything. I couldn't even enter the employee discount. It was ridiculous. So I ended up doing just one transaction, and I looked at my receipt, and I wrote down items that I didn't even get off on my, it didn't come off. The coupons did not come off. Nothing came off. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna put everything back. I got a lot of, the stuff that I did get is stuff I don't ever really get anyways. But the stuff I had in my cart, I'm like, I get this stuff all the time. I'm just gonna go put it back. I can always come back later. To me, it's not a big deal. But I wish she would have told me this like at the beginning or something like that. So then the night manager comes out and he's just ending his shift. I says, I'm gonna go put everything back. He's like, well, the new manager that just came on his shift can help you. And I'm just like, nope, because that manager I have problems with anyways. But I'm just saying, if you guys are going to Walgreens, watch out, because nothing is working out correctly. And they told me that this was like this for a week. I don't know if it's this store in general, but she also told me that for a while there, they could only use cash. Credit cards were completely down. So I'm like ticked off with Walgreens, but I'm going to share with you guys what I got. If you guys are asking where I got this shirt, I know a lot of people will ask. I actually got it from the Fetch Rewards app. It's actually 1,500 points, which is $15. I ordered it like a couple days ago and it shipped really fast. So if you guys do want a shirt, definitely go get one with your points if you guys have any. But let me share with you guys the items that I rarely get. Everything else that I didn't pay for, that was stuff that, like the toothpaste, the toothbrushes, the shampoo, that was all stuff that I get all the time. I really wanted to do the Compede deal, but the IVC book wasn't working, so it wasn't worth it. But I ended up getting the 7th generation wipes. Now, these were $3.19 at 20% off. There is $1 and $1.50 off digital coupon. My coupons did not come off, but if they did, you would pay $3.88 for this. But then you get a $2 cash rewards. I did not get the $2 cash rewards. Comes out to be just $1.88 or 94 cents each, which I think is a pretty great deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I also got the Safeguard hand soap. Now, these were 2 for $6. You want to buy 3 of them for $9. Now, I had a $1 off 2 digital coupon, and I had a 50-cent off digital coupon. Those did not come off either. But if you guys get it, you would pay $7.50 for it, but then you do get a $5 registry reward, which that printed off, making these just $2.50 or 83 cents each if you guys need some soap. So we got that going on. Then I ended up getting the Balmex Diaper Rash Cream. Now this is $7.99. There is a $2 off Walgreens booklet coupon that did not come off. It showed it on the screen, but when I printed off my receipt, it did not show up on there. So there is a $2 off coupon for that. You would end up just paying $5.99 for it, but then there is a $4 Ibotta rebate deal, making this just $1.99. So you got that. And then I also got these Ziploc baggies. I need some quarts. So we got these. These were 2 for $6. I'm so happy I used my paper coupon, because that paper coupon actually worked. So you would pay $5 for this, but then there is a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making these just $2 or $4 together. So if you guys got that. So that is all I got for one transaction. That's all I got. And then I went and put everything back, but I did want to get these, you guys. I've been eyeing these up in the ad for like 3 weeks. These are tailgate candy corn. We got fruit punch, vanilla ice cream, hot dog, hamburger, and popcorn. So you guys will definitely have to see me do a taste test for these. I don't think these will be as nasty as the food truck. Well, the food truck wasn't that bad, but the Thanksgiving ones were bad. But I'm excited to do a taste test video for you guys on that. So none of my coupons came off, as I told you guys. So what I do is I will contact Walgreens. I will probably call them this time. I usually, last time I sent them a Facebook message and she was helpful. I basically told them what item, what coupon didn't come off, what I was supposed to get, blah, blah, blah. And I even gave them like the IV, what is it, the RFN number, because all they do is they just type that in. So what I'm gonna end up doing, I'll probably call, because I would try using register rewards, and those register rewards expire soon, and I'm stuck if they don't work. I tried using a register reward. She said she entered it in. She didn't. I looked at my receipt. It wasn't even entered in. I'm like, hey, that's $5. So I asked the other cashier, can you dig out of the drawer and can I have it? She's like, well, it might not work. And I said, that's fine. It's not expired. I still want it back though. That's $5 right there. You can buy a lot of stuff for $5. So I ended up getting it back. So I ended up, my total came to $13.17 for everything. But like I said, none of the coupons came off except the Ziploc. And then I had a $4 off store register reward. The store register reward worked off, but the manufacturer one did not. I don't know what was going on. But anyways, if my digitals worked correctly, it should have came down to $11.67. I did get that $5 register reward. I was supposed to receive the $2 cash rewards for the 7th generation, and I did receive $5 back with Ibotta. Everything right here should have been a 33-cent moneymaker. So we got that, but I ended up putting back the Colgate toothpaste away. I put the Compeed away. I put the L'Oreal back. I put the Burt's Bees back and the Garnier. So not a big deal to me, but I'm just saying if you guys, you know, rely on some of that stuff, because a lot of you guys do not like paying out of pocket. I'm going to tell you guys this. A lot of you guys don't. I don't. But when it's situations like this, I'm just happy I didn't give them like all of my items. But it sucks. It sucks. And I know a lot of you guys are frustrated with Walgreens, but there's nothing I can do about it. I get just as frustrated too. But this is the first time in my 7 years couponing at Walgreens that I had to put everything back. Yeah, it's sad, but they will definitely help me out. And then I'm gonna ask for points for my register rewards that expire, because I wasn't able to use them either. So kind of ticked off with that. But make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next week. See you later. Bye bye.